Mga kapuso, it's BizTalk time. Ug ani ana si Attorney Resi Rizada. Resi?
Daghang salamat, Argel. Mga kapuso, welcome sa BizTalk. Kung asa atong kamustahan ang atong mga kapuso artist ug ang mga ganap nila sa life, siguradong mahimong hot ang atong buntag karon tungod atong makauban ang kapuso hunk actor walay lain kundi si Derek Ramsay. Hi Derek, good morning and welcome sa BizTalk ng At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Thank you for having me and congratulations, ha?
So how are you adjusting to the new normal?
It's hard, pero kaya naman. I'm not with my family. My family is in Tagaytay, so I didn't see them for the entire quarantine period. I only got to see them a few days ago. And I also didn't get to see Andrea for the entire quarantine. I only saw Andrea a few days ago as well.
I'm sure you miss her so much. Alam mo namin na Derek, last March, you've given gearheads a treat kasi nga you've put up 3 of your luxury cars for sale. How does it feel to let go of this luxury cars?
You know, I guess that's what the quarantine, this time during the quarantine, that's what it's done to me. I love my cars. I treat them like my babies because I believe na pag inalagaan mo sila, alagaan ka niya, hindi ka ma-aksidente. But just thinking and taking care of my mental health, I realized, it's just a material thing and maybe it's time for me to let go of it.
Kahit stay at home tayo ngayon, Derek, may mga pinaghahandaan ka bang projects?
I was supposed to do a international film and a new teleserye. Yung teleserye is actually with Andrea again. It's a romantic action serye. So I work out every day. I live an active lifestyle every day and it's easy to do here at home.
Siyempre, nakatuto kami sa Andrek Vlogs. Mayroon ako mga questions, Derek. Tapos sasabihin mo lang if ikaw yon or si Andrea. Okay? Quick
Oh
game.
no!
Eto tayo. Pabilian nila, just ikaw ba or si Andrea? Mabilis lang. Who is more jealous?
Ha! Andrea!
Unang nagsasorry?
Andrea.
Unang nagigising sa umaga?
Di ba ako?
Ikaw? More likely to be running late? More likely to be running late. You! The dominant one in the relationship.
Ako yun.
Who said I love you first, Derek? Ikaw or si Andrea?
Oh my God!
Hindi ko naman remember.
Oh!
Ikaw. Ito, last na lang. Last na lang. Describe your relationship with Andrea in one word.
Perfect.
Wow. Thank you very much mga kapuso. Derek Ramsay. Thank you for being in our new At Home with GMA Regional TV. And that was Derek Ramsay, mga kapuso. Nako, kabalo ko daghan sa inyo ha, ang musunod sa iyahang mga sports activities ug nakarelate nga mahilayo sa ilahang mga hinigugma. So always remember na ang virus, mga kapuso, why pili maunang magstay at home lang gyud kita. At ang mga kapuso, ang sunod na kapuso artist nga atong makahinabi ug kakuhaan ug inspirasyon dinhi lang sa BizTalk sa At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.